Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I'm back with another video, and in today's video we have an Asus laptop. This one is an Asus Q551l model, and in this video I'm going to take you on a step-by-step how you can open it up and how you can add or remove or upgrade the RAM on this laptop. People keep always asking me what's the maximum RAM capacity I can have on the laptop. It all depends on your processors. The same model can be with an iCore 7, iCore 5, different versions that they might have. I made a short video on how you can detect the maximum RAM capacity that you can have on your laptop. I'll leave that link in the video description in case you want to check it out and see what's the maximum that your computer can have. And based on that, you can follow this video and open it up and remove the RAM or add the RAM. Alright. So by removing the RAM, you're not going to damage anything in the system or Windows. You don't have to do reconfiguration or anything like that. I'm going to take you on a step-by-step how to do it. First thing first, you want to power off the laptop. You want to make sure it's off. You want to grab yourself a screwdriver set. I'll be using an UFIXTEK screwdriver set. And from this set, I'm going to be using a Phillips, T5 Torque 5 screw. And with this on hand, also if you get the Pro set, they will include you with an opening tools and a few other stuff. If not, grab yourself a guitar pick. Guitar picks, metallic ones are really suitable to opening cases and covers. Alright, down here we're going to see a whole bunch of screws all around the laptop on the bottom casing. So what we're going to do, we want to start from one corner and remove all the screws and leave them in one pile. They're the same size, height, and shape. Also, if you guys like my videos and you want to support the channel, you can do that by clicking that like and subscribe. I'll greatly appreciate it. It will be a great support for me to make more videos, take requests, answer your questions in the comment area. I appreciate that. Alright, once we remove all the screws, you can either put your finger at the back here, pull it up, or if it's not budging in yet, you can grab the opening tool and you can stick it from the corners, between the bottom cover and top cover, and just wiggle it around, just twist it, and you should release it easily. Just grab it, wiggle it around from here, and then grab it. Don't pull up for me too much. You want to pull it up from the back too, so evenly bring it upward. And there we have it. So this is the bottom case. So down here we can see the battery, and the RAM is right over here, is under this metal plate. You do not need to remove the battery to do this process. It's absolutely not necessary, but if you do want to do it, you have to pull this jack upward towards the ceiling and it will disconnect itself. But you don't. You just want to be carefully, you can touch the motherboard, it's not going to happen. Grab it from this side, from this shield, and bring it upward towards the ceiling. Sometimes it's really hard. You just pretty much want to bring it up. Has a little clips, just twist it and lift it up. Pretty much it's just a shield cover. You don't actually need it neither, but yeah. So the RAM is right over here. These are DDR3 RAMs. To remove the RAM is really simple. All you need to do is to put your fingers at the side of the triggers and pull them away from each other, and the RAM should come out just like this with a little help in 45-degree angle, just like that. And all you need to do is to pull it, slide out in 45-degree angle. You do not want to pull it upward, otherwise you're going to crack the RAM or the RAM DIMM. So slide it the same direction, this way out, and it's going to come out. This is a 4 gig RAM, but this laptop has an 8 gig. You'll be asking, where is the other RAM DIMM? There's no other RAM DIMM. There's only one RAM upgradable DIMM available. So you can remove this 4 gig and put an 8 gig. There is the other RAM is soldered on the board under this plastic here, and those are the RAM chips that are soldered on the board. You cannot upgrade this one. So you can only upgrade the one RAM DIMM that is available. So you can either put a 4 gig or 8 gig on this DIMM. To put the RAM in, make sure the notch on the RAM right here matches the notch right on the DIMM. So you want to bring it down in 45-degree angle all the way inside the jack. If you want to put the other way around, it simply won't go through. So 45-degree angle all the way inside the jack, and then push it towards the motherboard, and you should hear soft clicking, and that's how you know the RAM is in place. To put this shield cover back on is really simple. Has a little tiny legs, so it has to go through the motherboard. So bring it up, align it. If you align one corner, the rest is gonna go in easy. I just want to push it down the corners and make sure it goes through the clips, and you should be all set. The reason that is not going because the tape that I removed, I put the tape over the clip, so you want to put this one really close to the DIMM. So you don't want to cover these clips right over here. Those are tiny clips that hold it. There we go. Oh, I forgot to put the RAM in. So, otherwise, if you can't even remove it, just put a, on this side there's no component, you can put a tweezer right underneath, and with the help of tweezers, you can just lift it up easily. So grab the RAM, 45, and knock it down. Put the shield on top, and press the sides, and you are all set. And if you have disconnected the battery, plug it back in. I'm gonna power on so you guys can see that it's working. I'm pretty sure most people are gonna know you killed it. I've been doing this for a very long time, so don't worry about it. It's all fine. Now to power on, I don't know if there's any battery in it. You should have some battery left in it. So let me get the charger. So let's connect the charger in. Oh, I'm pressing the wrong key. The button is right here. So there we go. We have the Asus logo, and it's turning on and it's loading the window. And that's it for today's video. If you guys have any question or requests, feel free to leave them in a video comment. I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. As always, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.